Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm going to do something today that is super simple. I take it for granted that everyone knows the easiest way to boil an egg without getting the green color around it. But someone told me the other day they did not know, so that's what today's video is. Okay, I have just a saucepan and I have 6 eggs. These are cold, straight from the refrigerator. Okay. Put my eggs in there, and then I'm going to pour cold water on top of my eggs. Okay, the eggs are all the way covered. So I turn the heat on high, and I'm going to put a lid on it. We're going to bring it up to a boil and let it boil for about a minute, minute and a half. We're going to turn the heat off and let it set for about 20 minutes. Then I'll show you what they look like, how easy it is to peel. These eggs have been sitting here for several minutes. After I brought them up to a boil, I turned them off, let them sit there. Did a few other things, so right now I'm just rinsing them off. Let's see how hard this is to peel. Hopefully it won't be that hard. Peeling it. Folks, it still is a little warm on my fingers. But as you can see, using this method, the majority of the time anyway, the eggshell comes off cleanly. Let me grab a knife and I'll cut it. And that is a perfect yellow egg with no green from overcooking. Super simple. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.